Alright, so this is Galejen, and it was a very, very classic ride from 1937, a classic Peter Pan ride, and it's removed. It's basically gone. Well, it's being renovated. It's opening again summer 2020, and basically this thing was extremely nostalgic, had such a charming and classic feel, a really nice, enjoyable roughness. It was a really, really good ride with great theme and music. I love this ride. I'm pissed that they removed it in the way that they did, because they did not announce anything. I would have been fine if they announced it in some form or way, or over Facebook or something. They did not. It's just gone. Now today is opening day of the winter season, and this is what we came to. I am excited to see how they replace it. If they say it'll be renovated, but it's basically gone. It's only some of the supports that are left in there. So I'm excited to see if it's going to be a completely new Peter Pan style ride, or if they're actually going to make it like the old one. It's still going to be a little sad that the roughness isn't going to be there, but that's just my news update for you. I don't know what you think about this. You probably haven't ridden it or don't really care about it because you haven't tried it. When theme parks do stuff like this and remove rides, announce it first. Don't just do it out of nowhere if there's not an emergency. Please announce things just like a couple of weeks before is fine. Otherwise, it has been Northern Rides, and I hope you all keep riding on your favorite rides.